An HTML element is defined by a start tag, some content, and an end tag. Tag name content goes here, tag name. The HTML element is everything from the start tag to the end tag. H1 my first heading H1, key my first paragraph P. All HTML elements can have attributes. Attributes provide additional information about elements. Attributes are always specified in the start tag. Attributes usually come in name, value pairs like name equals value. HTML tags are not case sensitive. P greater than means the same as P. HTML elements with no content are called empty elements. The BR greater than tag defines a line break and is an empty element without a closing tag. Example code P. This is a BR greater than paragraph with a line break P. The A tag defines a hyperlink. The href attribute specifies the URL of the page the link goes to. Example code. A href equals https://www.google.com. Visit Google less than per A. A hyperlink interconnects the current web page with the other web page available on the internet.